Just going to film this video, guys, to finish it up, and look at the energy. It's insane. Hi guys, welcome back to another magical video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below so you'll be notified when I post a new magical video for you. And I kind of did a DIY video today, guys, meets magic, like with witchcraft, magic in it. And it was kind of like, I am happy how I did the video, I'm happy I put it out there, but I have a standard. If you guys have been watching me for a long time, you see how my DIY videos are. I like my stuff nice, clean cut, looking on point, and this video is just more spontaneous on the moment, more vlog style, so I guess I'm gonna accept that. This just kind of happened. I've been wanting to do some magical videos for you guys, but wasn't just knowing what should I do, and something I was struggling with is having interruption in my dreams from negative forces, and I just needed an extra layer of protection. I already have a grid made. I got spells and prayers that I read before I go to bed. I got 8 of them, so I got my stuff really strong, but I was still having problems. So then this just channeled information came through, and after me filming this video but not doing this part to talk to you guys more about stuff, just walking up the stairs, I just had a bunch of energy around me, so knowing that the divine's blessing me, so I'll just get this video done. Long story short, with the sigil that I'm going to show you guys to make to start off the spell, I think it adds an extra power boost. You're putting intention into your magic work, and you're using symbols, geometry, the elements, and it was channeled, so it's kind of neat. For each ascended master, it was God, Nyx, and Mother Mary. You can use an essential oil to anoint each part of the paper with them on it, or you can use one oil to anoint your paper, or do each different oils for each element, one for earth, one for air, one for fire, one for spirit, and earth, air, fire, water, spirit. I can't even think right now, but you can use the oil that represents each element to you and anoint your paper where the sigil is, where the elements are. So once you make that, I think it's really nice. You got your sigil made. The intention while you're making it is to protect you in your dreams and all 10 directions and all worlds and realms of existence and all 12 dimensions, all that good stuff. So while you're in your sleep, you're just putting all that intention into your sigil, and then you just are gonna say the spell, fold the paper, burn the sigil, and then burn the spell, and then just put all your intent into everything to be protected in your sleep. And while you do all of this magic work, guys, remember to cast a circle beforehand, create sacred space. I'm probably showing you a nice clip of me doing that right now. So invoke the elements, ask Archangel Michael, create sacred space around you so you're nice, protected, and safe. So before you do any magic work, I forgot to say create that sacred space, and then you can do your magic. I hope this makes sense, guys, and I was gonna have another clip coming up next explaining in depth of why everything is the way it is and how it adds to power and things. And feel free, guys, I'm not giving you complete instructions on how to do this. Use oil if you want, just create the sigil, just put your intention into it, and then burn it and say your own words, do whatever you want to do, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to give you guys an idea how to do magic, but do what you're intuitively guided to do and do your own version so it's even more stronger and definitely more powerful. I hope this video is gonna help you guys out. Let me know what other kind of magical videos you want down below. This one was sleeping protection, so you're protected from all those evil energies, demons, and all those darn little turkeys, so yeah. As I burn this sigil in these flames, they rise above the skies in all 4 directions of existence. When I close my eyes, I am now at peace. By flames, elements, and the divine, my spell is complete. As it is my will, so mote it be. my gosh, look at the energy right now, guys. Whoa, look at these blessings. Oh my god. Definitely got beautiful Ascended Masters here. I love you guys. The information in this video, guys, is channeled information. So basically, I just kind of wanted to explain to you like what was downloaded to me. It was this sigil. Alright guys, I wanted to explain this to you. So basically I got this sigil like as downloaded channeled information along with the spell, and I just kind of wanted to explain like how the concept was created with what the divine was telling me. So over here I'm trying to like break it down for you guys and give you an example. So basically like in the 1, 2, 3 steps, I'm invoking the elements in each step with those pieces that I use. So to like start off with the symbol, the sigil, I use like the arrows with the circle in the middle to represent earth, air, fire, water, and spirit. I repeated that again using the moons as well as the circle, and then using the actual OG elemental symbols like up here and down there that just tied everything in together, and used synchronicity to amplify the elements 3 times, as well as using the little swirls to represent like the House of Night to give like a House of Night blessing, and as well as using these Ascended Masters, Goddess Nyx, God, and Mother Mary, as well as the Sun and the Moon. So that just gives the sigil energy and power, not only calling upon your own, but of others to help you so you don't get burned out. And I just wanted to let you guys know that you can layer your magic to make it stronger. Basically with what I did, you can use oils, herbs, color, make everything, envision it, give it all that intention and feel you want to make it amplified and strong to get your best result. Do you guys see that energy right there, the purple energy? So I wanted to kind of give you like an example right here. Ooh, and the rainbow. So basically, like if you use color in your stuff, so it just amplifies everything, envisioning the elements, like even using silver where the moon is, like just giving everything that little boost of power matters and makes your magic even stronger. So when you guys use all of that, it makes your magic stronger, and it just like combined and made everything one magical piece with so much intention and power into it. And down here is just the actual spell, so I incorporated like the sigil again, invoking the elements, like all of God's elements, so even including other ones that he has created, as well as using like the element of fire and the divine equaling, once again, God and all the Ascended Masters, so you're not using only your own magic, but you're using the divine as well, so you're not burned out. And it's just really cool to do that. Then you just have more power and magic to work with, turning your energy into power, as well as closing off your spell, so using a statement to end it as like, so mote it be, amen, bless it be, and so it is, or aho, and so it is, whatever you guys want to use. Go ahead and use to end your magic and your spell. So that's pretty much just a little bit of a backstory on this to give you guys a little bit more information. I hope this helped you guys out, and I thought it was really neat. And on this example over here, I forgot to tell you, but I messed up with the moon. I meant to make it a triple moon goddess symbol, but totally messed up right there. So that's just another layer of detailing in the channel download, is that it's got like the triple moon goddess symbol, the elements 3 times around, the sun, the moon, so much like lunar energy going on, invoking like God, Mother Mary, Goddess Nyx, just so much power in here. And to actually have one of these like under your pillow to use, and then to burn it with the spell and use all your intention and magic like into your creation, so when it does burn, you're just envisioning yourself being protected, no negative energy being able to touch you, you're always in peace in your sleep, just like all of that intent while you're doing this, and you just get your desired result, as well as like anointing your paper, like your sigil, with oils in each direction. If you wanted to, you can use like for the element of fire, like a cardamom essential oil. Then you can use like something like with a water element that's refreshing, like bergamot for water. And tying all those little things together. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and it helped you out. It was so much fun and it was neat because it's totally channeled and like divinely guided, and it's just like, what? It was so cool. It just kind of sucks because after I filmed everything but these intro and outro clips, I got really sick for like a week during like Black Friday and stuff, and I had to work, so everything pushed me back. But I'm so happy I'm able to get this video done for you guys. Once again, please subscribe, turn on those post notifications, give this video a thumbs up so you can share my creativity with the world. I hope I inspired you guys, and let me know what other kind of magical videos and DIYs, mukbangs, vlogs. Just let me know what you guys want to see down below in the description box or comment section. Haven't done YouTube for a while, as you could tell. But anyways, yeah, love you guys. Bye. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Blessed be. Oh, and let me bless you guys before we go. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated. So mote it be until we meet again next time, guys. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again. Earth, air, fire, water, spirit, elements of astral birth, I call you now, attend to me. In this circle rightly cast, safe from psychic curse or blast, I call you now, attend to me. From cave and desert, sea and hill, God and all descended masters, by wand, cup, and pentacle, I call you now, attend to me. This is my will, so let it be. Hi guys, I'm gonna do a little blessing for you. I hope you guys are having a great day today. By earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, and Goddess Nyx's holy light, may you be blessed and rejuvenated, so mote it.